create a new case, click the New Case button in the Shortcuts area of the left-hand menu. First, type in a description of the incident or request. This description will be emailed to the customer as a summary of the problem, so make it succinct but meaningful. Next, set whether it is an incident or a request. An incident is just that, a problem that has occurred. A request is a request for change. Next, set the contact person. You can do this by typing in their username in the first box, their first name in the second box, or their last name in the third box, or a combination of all three. So I'm going to log this for Joe Train. So if I type Joe Train, I can then select the user from the autocomplete box. If the location is not set, make sure you type in the location of the contact person. So the first box is the location ID. So this is the campus code followed by the room number. So let's say Landaf B0, and then I can choose from the list. Configuration item is the equipment number. So again, type in the equipment number here, and you can use either the cursor keys or the mouse to select from the drop-down list. If an equipment number is not required, type NA. If the equipment is in a different location to the user, complete the configuration item location in the same way that you completed the location for the contact person. Incidentally, if you select the wrong configuration item, right-click, then choose Reset to start again. This reset procedure also applies to other fields such as contact person. Move into the right side of the dialog. In the reference group, you can set the origin of the case. So let's say this was logged through email. The equipment number location of problem is used if the customer is logging the case themselves through the self-service portal. So you don't need to complete that when logging a case. Incidentally, if the customer has logged this case through the self-service portal, this case origin will be set to portal. You can adjust the priority if necessary, and then set the category for the case. So the quickest way to do this is just to type in the general category and use autocomplete. Finally, add some case notes to describe the incident or request in more detail. To add notes, right-click in the Case Notes box and choose Edit Memo. Or you can use the Notes tab to do the same thing. If you need to attach files, emails, links, etc., use the Attachments button on the Case Management ribbon. Once you're happy, click the Save button on the Record tab to create the case.